There are different operations on set. They are union, intersection of sets, difference of sets, symmetric difference of sets.
Cross product of or Cartesian product of sets, complement of a set.
Thus, there are so many operations on the set, such as union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, Cartesian product, and complement of a set. Union of sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set that consists of elements belonging to A or elements belonging to B. The union of sets A and B is denoted by the symbol A union B. Thus, A union B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Let's consider an example. Let A be the set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and B is the set having elements 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then the set A union B will be the set having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is, we'll get the set A union B on writing the elements of A and B together at the same place. Similarly, if we consider the set C as the set having elements A, B and C, and D with the set having elements D, E and F, then the set C union D is the set having elements A, B, C, D, E and F. Look at the Venn diagram. Here the shaded portion shows the set A union B in the first figure, and the shaded portion shows the set C union D in the second figure. It is to be noted that x belongs to A union B implies and implied by x belongs to A or x belongs to B, and x does not belongs to A union B implies and implied by x does not belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. Again, if A is a subset of A union B and B is a subset of A union B, A union A is the set A itself. Similarly, A union B is equal to B union A, that is, the union of sets is commutative. Similarly, the union of sets is also associative, that is, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. If A is superset of B, then A union B is equal to A. Again, A union phi is the set A. If A1, A2, A3 dot an be n number of sets, then union of these sets, that is A1 union A2 union A3 dot up to an, is written as union of AI. I changes from 1 to n as written on this page. On intersection of sets, the intersection of the sets A and B is denoted as the symbol A intersection B and denoted as and defined as the set consisting of the common elements of A and B, that is, A intersection B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B, that is, A intersection B is the set consisting of the common elements of A and B. The Venn diagram shows the set A intersection B. In this figure, the shaded portion shows A intersection B. Consider an example. Let's consider a set A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the set B consisting of elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. then the set A intersection B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. That means it consists of elements belonging to A and B both. That is, it consists of the common elements of A and B. Look at the sets, we find that 3, 4 and 5 are the elements which are common in both the sets A and B. Thus A intersection B is the set having elements 3, 4 and 5. Look at the Venn diagram. Here the first circle A has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, whereas second circle B has the elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore A intersection B is the shaded portion which has the elements 3, 4 and 5. Let's consider another example. Let A be the set of all x so that x greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 10 and x belongs to Z. Set belongs a set of integers. B be the set of all x so that x lies between 7 and 15, that is and equal to 7 and equal to 15 also. That is set of all B is the set of all x so that x is greater than equal to 7 and less than equal to 15, where x belongs to the set of integers. Then A intersection B is the set consisting of elements 7, 8, 9 and 10. As the set A has elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. B has the elements 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So if we write the common elements of these sets, we get 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is, A intersection B is the set of all x so that x greater than equal to 7, less than equal to 10 and x belongs to Z. It is to be noted that A intersection A is the set A itself. Union of A and universal set, intersection of the set A and A is the set A itself. Intersection of set A and universal set is the set A, and x belongs to A intersection B implies and implied by x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Similarly, if A is subset of B, A intersection B is equal to A. Look at the Venn diagram. A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 up to AN, that is intersection of n number of sets A1, A2, A3, AN, etc. is written as intersection symbol AI. I changes from 1 to n. It is to be noted that A intersection phi is phi, that is intersection of a set with an all set is an all set, and A intersection B is same as B intersection A. Intersection of sets is commutative. Similarly, intersection of sets is also associative, that is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Overlapping sets or joint sets. The sets are said to be joint sets or overlapping sets if their intersection is not an empty set. That means if there exists at least one element in the set of intersection of the two sets. If A intersection B is not equal to phi, that is, if intersection of two sets A and B is not an empty set, then we call the sets A and B as overlapping sets or joint sets. Consider the sets A and B, where A has elements A, B and C and B has the elements C, D and E. Then A intersection B is the set having element C, which is not an empty set as it has one element C. Hence A and B are overlapping sets. Difference of sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set consisting of those elements of set A which do not belong to set B. That is, the difference of sets A and B is written as A minus B, read as A difference B, is the set of all x so that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. Look at the Venn diagram. The shaded portion shows the set A difference B. Similarly, the set B difference A, read as B difference A, is the set of all x such that x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. Look at the Venn diagram. This shaded portion shows that set B difference A. Let's take an example. Let A be the set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and B be the set having elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then the set A difference B is the set of elements of A which do not belongs to B. Definitely it is the set having elements 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, the set B difference A is the set of elements of B which are not in set A. Definitely it is the set having elements 7, 8 and 9. Symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of the sets A and B is denoted as A delta B and is defined as the set of the elements of the sets A or set B which are not common to both of the sets. That is, asymmetric difference B is the set of all x so that x belongs to A or x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A intersection B. It is also equal to the union of the sets A difference B and B difference A. Look at the Venn diagram. The Venn diagrams on this Venn diagram, the shaded portion shows the set asymmetric difference B. Let's take an example. Let A be the set having elements A, B, C and D and B be the set having elements C, D, E and F. A difference B is the set having the elements A and B, whereas B difference A is the set having elements E and F. Thus, asymmetric difference B is the set which is equal to A difference B union B difference A. That is, union of the sets having A and B and the set having E and F. That is, asymmetric difference B is the set having elements A, B, E and F. Complement of a set. The complement of a set is the set consisting of the elements of universal set which are not in the given set. The complement of set A is equal to A prime or A dash, read as A complement, is equal to the set E difference A. That is, it consists of all x. It is the set of all x so that x belongs to universal set E and x does not belongs to E. Look at the Venn diagram. The shaded portion shows the set A complement. Let's take an example. E be the set having elements A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Be the universal set. And A be the set having elements A, B, C and D. Then A dash or complement of set A is the set E difference A. That is the set having elements E, F, G, H, I, J. Note that if x belongs to A complement, then x does not belongs to A. If x belongs to A, then x does not belongs to A complement. Again, A intersection A complement is a null set. That is, A intersection A complement is equal to phi. Then A union A complement is equal to the universal set E. Complement of the set A is equal to set A. Complement of the set phi is E. Ordered pair. A pair of numbers where the order of the numbers is given importance is called as an ordered pair of numbers. An ordered pair consisting of x and y is written as x comma y written within parenthesis. In the ordered pair xy, x is called as first element or first component of the pair, and y is termed as the second component or second element of the pair. It is to be noted that ordered pair xy is not equal to ordered pair yx. Secondly, if ordered pair xy is equal to ordered pair yx, then it is implied and implied by, it implies and implied by x is equal to y. Again, if the ordered pair AB is equal to the ordered pair CD, then A is equal to C and B is equal to D. If two ordered pairs are equal, then their first components are equal and second components are equal. Cartesian product of two sets. If A and B be two non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of sets A and B is denoted as A cross B, read as Cartesian product of A and B, and it is defined as the set of all ordered pairs xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That is, A cross B is set of all ordered pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Similarly, Cartesian product B cross A is the set of all ordered pair xy such that x belongs to B and y belongs to A. Let's take an example. Let A be the set having elements A, B, C and B be the set having elements D, E and F. Then A cross B is the set of all ordered pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Definitely we get the ordered pairs AD, AE, AF, BD, BE, BF, CD, CE and CF. Thus A cross B is the set of ordered pairs AB, AD, BE, AF, BD, BE, BF, CD, CE and CF. B cross A is the set of all ordered pairs xy such that x belongs to B and y belongs to A. That is, it consists of the ordered pairs DA, DB, DC, EA, EB, EC, FA, FB, FC. From this example, it is clear that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Cartesian product of three sets. If A, B and C be three non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of the sets A, B and C is denoted as A cross B cross C, and it is defined as a set of ordered triplets having the first element from set A, second element from set B and the third element from the set C. That is, A cross B cross C is the set of ordered pairs, ordered triplets XYZ such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B and Z belongs to C. Let A be the set having elements A and B be the set having elements C and D, C be the set having elements E and F. Then A cross B cross C is the set having the triplets ACE, triplets with elements ADE, triplet with elements AC and F, triplet with elements AD and F, triplet with element AC and BC and E, triplet with elements BC and F, triplet with element BD and E, triplet with element BD and F. We note that A cross B cross C is equal to A cross B cross C, that is equal to A cross B cross C. Cartesian product of n number of sets. If A1, A2, A3 dot An be n number of non-empty sets, then the Cartesian product of the sets A1, A2, A3 up to An is equal to A1 cross A2 cross A3 dot up to cross An. It is the set of all ordered n plates A1, A2, A3 up to An such that A1 belongs to set A, A2 belongs to set A2, A3 belongs to set A3, and AN belongs to set AN. It is to be noted that if A has n number of elements and B has n number of elements, then the set A cross B will have mn number of elements.